okay, here's something that we can do. I wish we had a little bit more room. But, okay, let's pretend like we're in C major now. This would be our 6th scale degree, right? So we're just going to do a little, this is in red for major. We're going to do a 6, right? And look at that, it's minor. And the next one would be 7, right? And it's diminished. Now look, here we are in C again. If we were in C major, this would be our 1. And guess what? It's major, just like the same chord in the minor key of A minor. Then we'd have our 2, which is minor. Our 3, which is minor. Because look, C, D, E. Look where we are. We're on E if we start on C. C major would just be starting here. Now, of course, when you're playing a minor scale, like an A minor scale, if someone else is strumming along on a C major chord, if someone's strumming a C major chord and you play an A minor scale, it's going to sound like you're playing a major scale, because the backbone, the backbone of the music is in C major, right? But now if you play the same A minor scale while someone else is strumming along to an A minor chord, you're going to sound like you're playing a minor scale. You see how this works? So it could be vice versa too. If someone is strumming along on an A minor chord and you play a C major scale, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, it's going to sound like you're playing minor, because the listener is hearing the chord, you know? The listener is hearing, like, the key of the music. If there's no chords underneath and you're just, like, ripping up and down scales, if you're going A to A, it's going to sound minor. But if you're still playing A to A and someone going ahead and strumming C major chords, you get that happy, bright sounding chord. It's gonna, all of a sudden, the notes that you're playing, they're all of a sudden they're going to appear to be sounding major. That's why, because it's all the same notes. So if we go ahead and just finish this up, okay, we had our 3. Now we have the 4. We know that 4 is major. Whoops, almost forgot to put that 1 in. You know how hard it is writing Roman numerals. And the 5, which is C, D, E, F, G, which is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, G, B, D. That was our dominant, which is our 5 function for major. The blue is minor, red is major. And 6, yeah, because the 6th scale degree of a major scale starts on the natural minor. So that would be our 6th here. Shit, that's a 4. I told you, Roman numerals, man, they mess you up. I really need, like, a whiteboard. It'd make it so much easier. I'm on my knees, kneeling on a pillow right now doing this. You can see right there. So anyway, this is kind of like the bread and the butter of how all this stuff goes together. Now I can do something really fun for you. I'm gonna show you. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna play a progression using triads, but not just 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go through a couple different octaves. I think it's like 2.5 octave spread. And instead of just strumming the chords out to it, I'm going to arpeggiate them. Meaning, I'm not going to play it stacked like that as a chord. I'm going to play, it would be like C, then E, then G. Well, that's A. So it'd be like A, then C, then E. So, here, watch this. I'm going to set up real quick.